Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Bard AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and make sure that you're signed in to your Google account. After signing in to your account that you use when signing up with Bard, you can simply type in bard.google.com in the address bar and press enter. You will automatically be logged in with your Google account to the Google Bard AI. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Bard AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.